shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily Dark Pool Whispers for April 24th, 2020. It's been a fantastic week of trading. Let's hope today continues. We're going to start with the SPY. You can see it's in a very tight spot, I would say. Yeah, it's like right stuck on this trend line. Just maybe tweak that tiny bit. Well, all right, I'll just move it down. So there you go. And this 50 simple moving average, that blue line, and then we got that yellow line, which is the VWAP. I'm just going to zoom in on that for you. See that? Yeah, it's definitely stuck in a tight spot there on the daily chart. What's it going to do? Is it going to bust a move? And yep, and go all the way possibly up here? Or is it going to break down below the 8 and come all the way down there? Yeah, inquiring minds want to know. So we're going to be bullish above 281 and bear below 278. And we're going to go on to the E-minis next. Yeah, but I just wanted to show you just how tight that spot was. Not great. It's got to make a move. Bullish above 2802.50, bear below 2785 for the E-minis. IWM also stuck in this wedge-like formation. Let me just do that. Yep, we're stuck in this wedge. Is it going to break out again? Or is it going to break down? So bullish above 121.50, bearish below 119. We have had very little dark pool activity in the past couple days on these guys. Like those late prints, very, very light. So we'll see what today brings. Let's go to the QQQs. Bullish above 212. And again, I can draw a wedge. Same thing. Feels like we're waiting for earnings season next week, like on the tech stocks. We had Intel, which I'll go over in a minute, but it feels like the market's waiting for some big guys to report. So the QQQ, bullish above 212, bearish below 208. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 8660. And bear below 85.90. All right, oil. Oil was the hottie yesterday. Yeah, this guy had incredible moves. We are going to be bullish above 1750 today. We had some really big volume spikes coming in here and here. Another one right here. So that's why I'm bullish above this guy. Yeah, that was definitely an up thrusty candle, so bullish above there and bearish below 1580. Yeah, I want to be bear below this guy and bullish above here. Those are the two big volumes in the 5-minute candles. So let's go to the gold futures. All right, looks like we kind of got stuck just below this Camarilla pivot. So we are going to be bullish above that 1762.50 and bearish below 1747. So bear below here, and this is our bull trade. All right, this is our no trading zone. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. And we are going to start with Intel Semiconductor. Did not look too good last night. Yeah, they did not like the earnings. I'm not going to sit here and evaluate the earnings, but this does look like a nasty head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Yeah, and if we break below this neckline, yeah, look out below. So watch that 55. Everybody's watching this 55 level. A 200 simple moving average is right there. As a swing trader, just zoom in on that red line. Yep, as a swing trader, long-term holders, yep, they will sell if it goes below that line. So today, though, for a day trade, we're going to be bullish above 57 for a retracement trade. It might retrace that right shoulder before moving back down again. And we're going to be bearish below 55.75. Yeah, but again, for swinging, and you can see I did put that in here, this 200 simple moving average, and there's a gap fill. Yeah, so if we do close below that in the future, uber bearish. AMD has earnings next week, April 28th. Feeling a little bit of Intel's pain, but sometimes what is bad for one semi is good for another. They take business away from the other guy. So we are going to be bullish above. We're going to treat them individually. Bullish above 55.80, but look where it's stuck right now. It is not in a good spot. Yeah, it's like the worst place to trade, in between the 4 and the 8. So let's see if it gets unstuck, but, you know, bullish above there, 55.80, bearish below 54.50. All right, this no trading zone in between. Let's go to Zoom. Yeah, Zoom. Holy cow, this thing is on fire, you guys. Bullish above 177.50. Bear below 172.50 for a retracement trade. You know, we do come down to earth, back down to the 4 EMA before moving up again, or gap and go scenario. So watch that 15 exponential moving average on this 5-minute chart. Yeah, watch this guy. After the first 15 minutes, if it could stay above the 15 EMA, it's usually a gap and go. So like 9:45. Yep, if it's above that, Eastern, that is going to be gap and go. Let's go to Beyond. What's going on with Beyond? Who is eating these chemical burgers? Maybe, is there a meat shortage? Maybe. I know. I want to know who is eating these. I don't think anybody in our trading room. Come on. Come clean, you people. Look, if there's a meat shortage, people might. That's scary. Yeah, I know. Packing plants are closing. Maybe that's why. I know, seriously, but this is not a good alternative. All right, I'm going to go back to the trade. Yeah, 107.50. I don't care how many chemicals are in it. Bullish above 107.50, bearish below 103 for a retracement trade. Okay. Let's see, Vince. Oh, wait, who has Paul? You have 100 pounds of bison in your freezer? It's too TMI, Paul. Okay. Let's go to Verizon. I know where you live. All right, Verizon had earnings, and that is a long-legged doji. Look at that. This is like my least favorite candle in the entire planet, you guys. It's got such a wide range. I like those short, fat dojis because then we're always bullish with high volume, bullish above, bearish below them. But this is a long-legged doji. So we're going to be bullish above 58.50. All right, that's our bull trade. And bearish below 56.70. All right, so right in here, I'm bearish for Verizon. Let's go to Tesla. This was a great short yesterday in the Java pit. Hit all our targets. Today, though, we're going to be bullish above 717.50. All right, we're just on the cusp of this 4 EMA. And you can see there's room to go up there. And then, of course, if it goes down here, there's our short trade below 702.50 for Tesla. Let's go to Schlumberger. Yeah, I put a trade on this yesterday. Looks like it's going well. We had that big 1 million print at 15.38 on this day. I like to wait at least one day, the next day, to get into it. Close strong. So today we're going to be bullish above 17. We already tested that last 8th. We went to about 16.85 yesterday. Look, we did it again. 16.85. This is really key, and it stopped there on a dime yesterday. So let's see if they fill that in today or not. We are going to be bearish, though, if it goes down below 16.20 area. A retracement trade down to the prints, 15.38. And one last one, American Express. American Express came out with earnings. Volume is starting to creep in. We're almost at that 100,000 mark. I'm going to be bullish above 85. All right, above here. And bearish below 82 for American Express. Now, I'm still watching FCX. It had earnings. Oh, finally had some volume. Wait, is that late volume though? I have a feeling. Was it one big trade? I've been waiting all morning for this thing to have volume. No, we just kicked in here. 806. 805. All right, we're going to trade this today. I was just waiting for some volume to kick in there. Just give me a moment. And I had a feeling it was going to happen. So let's just look up the pivots, you guys. Yeah, let's map out a live trade. Why not? Been wanting to do it all morning. All right, let me just look up my prints on FCX. Hold on a second. 719, where there was a big dark pool. Okay, so we're well above that right now. 8. Let's see where this 50 simple moving average. So 50. So we do have a trade up into about 840. Let me just look on the book and see if anybody's loaded to sell there. There's a guy at little guy at 850. Nothing really big though on the books. Yeah, it's still eking in there. But I am bullish above 820 is the next major level. So I guess we'll just do that. But if it does dip down and then goes above 8 with volume, 8's a good entry. But above 820. And our targets will be, well, there's a guy at 827 right now. 827 is R1. And then 837. 840 is where that 50 simple moving average is. All right. And then if it can go above that, sometimes it likes to upthrust that 50 simple moving average. We have 850 and 864 is R3. So we might actually tag that R3 level before it moves down a little bit. And then we're going to be bearish below 780. All right, target 767 and 753 is S2. And then we have 719 is the dark pool prints retracement. All right, dark pool retracement. Sometimes it'll retrace to that, and I'm sticking to it. All right, you guys, let me just post this out on the app so you guys will have this. Whisper extra. Yesterday I did that extra Tesla whisper. All right, I'm going to put it in the trading room for you guys as well. All right, until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.